You ready, Britt?
Yep.
It's a little sketchy.
Ready?
Yep.
Good morning from the Carnival Horizon. This is day 3, episode 3 of my Carnival Horizon vlog series, and it is a beautiful morning. We are just now approaching Half Moon Cay. We don't have anything planned for there. We're just going to explore the beaches, explore the nature trail. I'm going to fly my drone there, get some awesome shots of the island. But adventure awaits, so let's go. Hold up. Before we go adventuring, I haven't had Blue Iguana breakfast yet. So, let's head up to the Lido deck. So we got our breakfast burritos, and this is by far one of the best breakfasts on the ship. And we also get the beautiful view of Half Moon Cay. We're now ready to go catch our tender to bring us to Half Moon Cay. And real quick, I just want to say this is why I absolutely love cruising so much. You don't have to move anything. All of your stuff can be in the drawers, be under the bed. You know, you can store all your stuff, and boom. You wake up, you're in a new location. Yeah, we're still in the Bahamas, but we're on a completely different island. We probably went like, I don't know, 50 to 100 miles overnight. And then in 2 days, we're going to be in the Dominican Republic and I don't have to pack up my stuff. Yeah, that's awesome. You can't beat it. What does it mean? What are you doing here? We made it to Half Moon Cay from the tender boat, and we're actually walking all the way down Carnival's private beach, and we're going to go explore that area. So we're walking on the walking trail that they actually have around Half Moon Cay. We've never done it before, but they have all these cool benches around it. This one doesn't really have a view, but some of them have a view of the ship. I don't know if you can see it through there. Yeah, pretty cool. This is our second time at Half Moon Cay, and the second time is making me fall in love with it even more. Like the private beach in the Bahamas, look at the water. Like you got beautiful views of the island, you got the ship in the background. Like you really just can't beat it. We're really far from the main beach area, which is what I absolutely love about Half Moon Cay. The main beach is right there, and in about an hour we're actually going even further away from the main beach area. We're going all the way out to the point, which is that way, and it really looks like it's going to be some epic top-down drone shots from there, maybe shots of the ship because it looks like it's even closer. So I'll pick up the camera when we get back there. So we made it out to the point. I actually don't know if that's what it's called. I'm calling it the point of Half Moon Cay, and it looks absolutely epic here. I'm going to get some shots with the camera and I'm going to take the drone up. For anyone coming to Half Moon Cay, I highly recommend walking all the way down here, because even though you're on a cruise ship, it literally feels like you're on your own private island. Look at this. Nobody is around us right now, and we are having such a great time up here. The water's a little bit rougher this way, but maybe it's just the time of year. But either way, you gotta check it out. guys see a shark in the water. I'm gonna try and film it, but the sand keeps coming up. It's a little tiny shark. I think it's like a baby nurse shark. There he is. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Come back. Well, we're just gonna relax, hit the beach, because that's really what you do at Half Moon Cay. They have a few excursions, but I will see you guys back on the ship, because we're gonna hit the Skyride today. We're back on the ship. We're gonna head up to Lido to grub up, and then we're gonna hit the Skyride, and I'm bringing my GoPro on there with me, so I'll show you guys what it's like on that ride. The drop's sketchy. The drop, yeah. Here comes my drop. Yours is on the other side. The Skyride, it was super fun, but it was a lot scarier than I thought. Still had a great time. They let me go around twice, but man, that actually, it gives you an adrenaline rush. But anyway, now we're going to be going to Cucina Del Capitano tonight for our specialty dining. It's $15 per person, so I'll bring the camera, film what the food looks like, and yeah, we'll go check it out. The food at Cucina was definitely as good as it looked. I highly recommend going there if you want to spend $15 per person. Good morning from our first sea day on the Carnival Horizon. I'm not sure what we had planned to do today, but I don't know. I'll bring the camera around some places, but other than that, we're probably just going to relax up on the Lido, hit Serenity, just enjoy the day at sea. So we got to the Serenity deck super early this morning, so that means we are the only ones for the hot tub. This is a cool hole. So check out how awesome this thing is. Can we just talk about how bad of an idea, but so much fun at the same time, mini golf on a cruise ship is? I mean, the wind just whips the ball around because they're not real golf balls, probably for safety reasons. But it's fun, but it sucks. So we finally got one of the things we were most excited to try on this ship. They have ice cream sandwiches. Mine's a little plain. Look at Brittany's.
Very colorful.
So, here we go. That's good. So to get those ice cream cookie sandwiches, you go to Deck 5 to Cherry on top. You can go inside or you can even go outside. I don't know what the times are for outside, but it was closed when we were there. They wouldn't even let us go outside through the doors. It said it was too windy on the sign. It's really not that windy. But you can choose your cookie. You can choose what ice cream you want. You can choose what topping you want to roll it in. All for $3. I mean, it's pretty sweet. And the reason we came back here to eat them is I wanted to bring the camera. I forgot the camera. Plus, we couldn't eat it there. So why not bring it back to the cabin when you have a balcony?